Welcome to Ajayasthro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, bringing you the most significant news impacting the global market today. Let's dive into the top stories shaping our economic landscape. China's Ministry of Commerce has announced a comprehensive review of the anti-dumping measures on stainless steel billets and hot-rolled stainless steel plates from the EU, UK, South Korea, and Indonesia. This review, initiated by domestic steel mills, aims to determine if lifting these measures could result in renewed dumping, potentially harming China's steel industry. The investigation begins this Tuesday and is set to conclude by July 23, 2025. The outcome of this review will be crucial for the global stainless steel market, influencing prices and trade dynamics. In a surprising move, China has lowered its key short-term policy rate and benchmark lending rates to stimulate economic growth. The People's Bank of China, PBOC, reduced the 7-day reverse repo rate to 1.7% from 1.8% and adjusted the 1-year and 5-year loan prime rates to 3.35% and 3.85% respectively. This decision comes amidst weak economic data, a looming property crisis, and rising debt levels. These monetary easing measures follow disappointing Q2 economic results and align with the government's pro-growth stance emphasized during a recent plenum. The rate cuts also precede potential Federal Reserve rate reductions, showcasing China's proactive approach to counter downward economic pressures. Following the announcement, the yuan weakened and bond yields dropped. Experts predict further rate cuts as part of China's strategy to bolster the real economy and enhance monetary policy transmission. This move is expected to benefit base metals and silver, offering potential opportunities for investors in these commodities. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthro Money Guru. Stay updated with our channel for more insightful analysis and the latest updates on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.